Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we have an Amazon Christmas diamond paint unboxing. Now, I did say that I was going to try and wind down the Christmas paintings. I couldn't resist. I've been a bit naughty and bought another one. So I couldn't resist this. I was ordering Hannah's giveaway because it was recently out of stock and it took a while to come back in, and then this popped up and I was like, oh, I've got to have it. So we'll get into this. I'm going to try and get it done for this year if I can, but we have got quite a few to get through, but there's always next year if not, and I had to have this. This is okay, it looks a little pixelated, but this is a lovely Christmas scene of, this does look like the old style, so I was really happy when I got it out the lock. I was like, oh my god, this is a flat one, because flat ones are always nice. Although you get that crease, you get less creases if it's a rolled up one. But this, my friends, is a big bundle of bags there, and a squashy. My god, that's a rare sight, isn't it? We very rarely get them now, but in here we have, I could not say no to this. Look at that. This is a, what looks to be, I can't actually work it out. Is it like a house or something? Or window? Ah, right. So this is like, I think this is the inside of the house. And then obviously you've got this window frame. And then the dog's looking out of it. And then we've also got like a tree and a garland. And yeah, this is definitely by far the old styling. It really looks a splat, if I'm honest with you. Not very happy with this. I thought it would turn out a lot more nicer than that, because for example, if we was to look at, I don't know, yeah, if we was to look out at this one, you see how clear it looks compared to that. It's just, yeah, I don't know. On this one, I am disappointed. 26 colours. I mean, I can't even work out what this is supposed to be. So that looks like the back of the armchair or something. But that's what it's supposed to look like. And for $3.99, I think that's pretty poor. We can try and put the drills on, but then there's a case that it could look very pixelated. So the chances are is I'm going to probably return this. That's disappointed. Really was excited when I ordered this, and really like sort of rushed up the hill to get it, and that's what we've got. So yeah, it's not the best of paintings. Even if you was to put, I mean, this is like a green sort of tree, I think, or some sort of foliage with a bow on it. Even if you was to put the drills on, looking at that, I don't think it's going to show much detail. So yeah, as much as I love it, I'm probably going to return that. We will still go through the drills here. This is like a boat, and the wax and the bags. I'm not going to open these because I feel like I'm going to have to return it. But you see, you've got purple and lilacs and pinks and some whites and greens and orange. And then obviously in here you've got greens, greys, light blue, red. And then obviously over here you've got a very nice evergreen, dark green, a brown, a sort of burgundy colour, and a peach, and some pinks and blues. But yeah, I've got to be honest with you, I thought that would have been a lot more nicer than that. But let us know in the comments what you think. I definitely can't see me keeping this. I'm probably just going to have to return this and get my money back, because this is a big letdown. I mean, it's just so, yeah, it's definitely the old styling, 100%. But yeah, I don't know. It just looks very sort of, it's like it's been all pushed in, and they've struggled to sort of like get all the picture like detailing done. I think the only really detail we've got here is probably that window frame, and then obviously the dog here. But I don't know. That is such a shame. But anyway, I'm sorry it's not as a good one that I thought. They always make it look good online, and then when you get it, it can turn out really bad. But for $3.99 I paid, I think that's ridiculous. This sort of styling you would expect around like $1.99 or so, but I don't know, because I could do it and see how it turns out, but then I'm sort of thinking like there's just literally no detail. I mean, as I say, like that just looks like a big blob. It's difficult. It is difficult what to do. I mean, you can see the fire here and like the garland there, but then you've like, what is that? Is that like a door frame or something? That looks like a living room door or something. And then obviously that's supposed to be the tree, and never mind. But anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of future uploads on the channel. And we will see you next time for more from Diamond Paintings with Mike. Take care and see you later.